Hi, I'm Krista. I'm one of the co-founders of Objects in Order. And in our last video, part three of creating an exhibition, we organized our objects using the Object Manager. Now we're going to set up our object layout. So think of the object layout as a template for displaying object information and assets across every single object in your exhibition. So this is essentially an object page for every object. From the Structure tab here, we're going to click on Object Layout, and that's going to show us the page display. You'll see the title. You can click the title to format it, to change the size, the color, the font, and then you're also going to have a few fields here to help you get started. Now, to add a new object field, you click this plus icon, and it's going to give you some block options for the object layout page. We're going to click Object Field, and then you're going to have a drop down here in the Universal Editor, and you're going to be able to see all of the fields that you created in your exhibition blueprint. So these are generated by that exhibition blueprint that you selected. When you select a field for display, like credit line or date, you can decide whether or not to show the field label. So whether or not you want it to say date or you want it to say medium. And then you can also make updates to typography, to colors, and to spacing. Now for media files, you can click this lowest most plus icon on the page, and you can add your object fields for video, for audio, and for additional images. And you can drag and drop these into the order that you prefer. Same thing here. You can organize it just how you like it. So we are clicking here on our object field for object additional images, OTM for over the moon. You have an option to show the field label. We're not going to do that. We are going to enable image zoom for our additional images, and we are going to show that zoom icon. And then you have other options here for customization. To see how data for an object is going to actually display, you can preview with an object by clicking here. You're going to have an opportunity to do a search and to make a selection. And then it's going to actually display your object data in the layout that you've been setting up. So here you see your primary image, you see your caption, you see your zoom icon. This is your data that's coming in for your object. And this object does have a video, so the video is going to display below. In the next video, we'll set up the header and the footer, which are going to appear on every page of the exhibition. Thanks so much, and see you next time. Bye.